Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. I am Lisa and I'm back with your 48 hours reading. It's going to be a collective reading, so let's see what do we have for the collective. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Pentacles. Okay. For some, definitely someone is working towards a relationship. Okay, because I just felt your next 48 hours are going to be very much, relationship driven. Either you are thinking about someone or someone is thinking about you. Even if someone is working at the back of the mind, they will be thinking about you or you will be thinking about this person. But at the same time, I also see that you will be working really hard. Okay, it's like you are understanding how to manage your emotions also, so you will have a balanced state of mind and your heart for now. Okay, let's pick more messages. So the first one, we have Temperance. Again, we have the card of balance, we have the card of negotiations, we also have the card of healing. See, I don't know why, but I do feel that you are really angry about something. या तो आपको किसी चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा है, और you are really frustrated about something, you are having temper issues. किसी को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा था आपके अंदर, या गुस्सा है कुछ लोगों के लिए. ओके, आई सी यू रियली बॉइलिंग अप विद एंगर. ओके, बहुत ज़्यादा. एक होता है ना कि हम किसी को फोड़ देंगे लिटरली, वैसा वाला मुझे कहीं ना कहीं गुस्सा दिख रहा है. बट नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट 48 hours आई डू सी दैट यू विल you will melt down, you will have a softer space for this person. Okay, I do see that either you will be communicating with this person or this person will be communicating with you. So some communication is definitely happening which will help you to have, which will help you to be at ease. Okay, because ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपके अंदर एक पर्सन को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा था, या फिर ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने इस पर्सन के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा प्रोजेक्ट किया है, या इस पर्सन ने आपके ऊपर किया है, वट एवर इट मे बी. एंड नाउ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सिचुएशन फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. सो you will learn about the situation, you will understand the situation better, you will understand this person better. And when you see the situation from a different perspective, from a different point of view, you will understand that this person has not been at fault. And then I see you becoming really emotional towards this person, I see you becoming really sensitive towards this person. आप अपने आप को लेके भी सेंसिटिव होते हुए दिख रहे हो, और जब आप अपने आप को लेके सेंसिटिव होते हो, आप दूसरों को लेके भी सेंसिटिव होते हो. तो सेंसिटिविटी कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा मिलने वाली है या होने वाली है. टेक व्हाट रेजोनेट्स. इफ़ यू आर द वन हु इज़ रियली एंग्री अबाउट समथिंग, then it will be you. Okay, and if it is someone else, then I do feel that this person will be at ease, and they will be coming towards you probably with an apology, or they would want to have a soft conversation with you. मुझे ना ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि इस पर्सन को कहीं ना कहीं इतना एक्सप्रेस करना नहीं आता है, ये इतने इमोशनली एक्सप्रेसिव नहीं है. सो इवन इफ दे कम्युनिकेट या कुछ, या तो ये बहुत स्टटर करते हैं, या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा बोलना कुछ और चाहते हैं, बोल कुछ और देते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज आई थिंक इस पर्सन की ना एक इमेज है, और वो जो इमेज है वो बहुत एक ऐसी हार्श वाली इमेज है, या फिर बहुत मैस्कुलिन इमेज है. सो वेन एवर दे हैव टू बिकम सॉफ्ट, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम. सो प्रॉबली दिस पर्सन इज इमोशनली शाई. ओके, दैट इज़ अनदर थिंग. देन, and yes, and I also feel that they wear they crown they wear their crown of masculinity with a lot of pride. तो वो उस चीज़ को भी कहीं ना कहीं sideline नहीं करना चाहते. But now I see that there will be a change in situation. Now the next card that we have is King of Swords. Okay, you might be dealing with Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, but other than that, like I said, that emotional maturity is coming, wisdom is coming, but at the same time, someone might feel handicapped. Okay, किसी पर्सन को ऐसा लग सकता है कि हाँ अब मुझे वो क्लैरिटी आ गई है, मेरे पास ये चीज़ है, मेरे पास वो है, अब मुझे समझ आ गया है कि मुझे क्या करना है कलेक्टिव के साथ. बट एट द सेम टाइम दिस पर्सन विल फील हेल्पलेस और दिस पर्सन विल feel a bit handicapped in this situation because they might feel that they do not have your access, या उनको ऐसा फील होगा कि शायद से वो आपसे बात नहीं कर सकते हैं या कुछ भी ऐसा. सो हो सकता है कि दिस पर्सन माइट go to their friends and they might ask your friends or their friends to text you, or they can take someone's help also. They can take help of social media, putting stories and stuff like that. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई ऑल्सो फील आपको ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको कुछ 2-3 छोटी छोटी न्यूज़ भी मिल सकती है नेक्स्ट 48 आवर्स में. ओके कुछ एक्साइटमेंट वाली एक मुझे लग रही है, कुछ गॉसिप आती हुई दिख रही है, समथिंग दैट यू रियली गोइंग टू एन्जॉय. सो सम ड्रामा इज ऑल्सो बीइंग एडेड टू योर लाइफ in next 48 hours. The next card is Six of Wands. I think you will be winning at something. You will be celebrating some kind of success. It's not going to be a very major one, it might be a minor one, but it is going to be something which you will really value. I see you appreciating yourself. आपको ऐसा फील होगा कि आपने कुछ बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, आपने कुछ बहुत बड़ा काम किया है, आप अपने आप अपने काम से बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होते हुए दिख रहे हो. ओके यू विल बी हैप्पी विद योर वर्क, you will be satisfied with yourself. Okay and I do feel that you might even want to give yourself a treat. You might want to go to your favorite cafe, you might want to do something in order to celebrate your success. ऐसा हो सकता है that if you were anxious about something, or if you were fearing about something, or probably some meeting, some kind of event या कुछ भी ऐसा, it will go very smoothly, it will go according to what you expected, according to your plan. And उसको लेके, because you'll have a very positive outcome in next 48 hours, I see you celebrating that. And I also see that there will be people who are going to applaud you, there will be people who are going to support you. So you will get support from your friends, you will get support from your colleagues. If you have a lot of followers, if you are a content creator, or if you do something publicly, people are going to support you. Okay people are going to recognize you, they are going to value you, they are going to see you with respect. So एक वो goodwill वाली energy भी कहीं ना कहीं है. Okay some of you might want to do something for the environment. तो मुझे एक वो eco friendly वाली energy भी कुछ लग रही है. ठीक है आप कुछ environment के लिए करते हुए दिख रहे हो. आप में से कुछ लोग हो सकता है कि कहीं पे volunteer करने वाले हो, and that will turn out to be really good for you. Let's see, 6 number is also important. Okay and goddess Lakshmi is definitely important, probably because goddess Lakshmi is going to send her blessings when it comes to any particular project that you're looking forward to. Then we have the card of strength. So here I do see that you might deal with someone who has a lot of ego, and not just ego. I don't think that this person has ego, but I do feel that this person is really stubborn. Okay this person is very rigid, and at the same time this person is full of emotions, तो ऐसा हो सकता है that इस person के साथ whenever you have to deal with this person, you have to be the mature one, you have to be the bigger person. You're dealing with someone जिनके साथ आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा पेशेंस के साथ चलना पड़ता है, बहुत प्यार से इस पर्सन के साथ डील करना पड़ता है. Okay मुझे नहीं पता था that this is going to be an 8 number, because I don't usually notice numbers so much until recently. But yes, this person can be an 8 number, or 8 is going to be an important number. So here I do feel that in the next 48 hours you will be able to accept the nature of this person. You will be able to accept the human in this person. Okay and when you see the human in the other person, when you accept the human nature of the other person, things become a lot more easier, right? So the same way I do feel that you will be able to tame this person, you will be able to deal with this person probably earlier it was very difficult for you to deal with this person because you were using your own logical ways, you were using your own ways to solve the problem or to deal with this person. But now you're stepping into this situation, into their situation. Now you're stepping into their shoes, and when you step into this person's shoes, that is when you understand where this person is coming from. So this person is really good at heart, really innocent at heart, but at the same time this person is very rigid, very stubborn, full of energy, full of emotions. Probably they go through a lot of mood swings also. They can get angry at one moment and another moment they will be completely different. So probably you're dealing with someone who is very much unpredictable, and this person needs people who can handle them, okay, who can handle them with love, handle them with care, handle them with patience and tolerance. So that is another message that I'm getting. The next message that we have is Queen of Pentacles. Some of you are dealing with an earth sign also, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But other than that, I do feel that it's a very a good time to start something of your own. If you have any kind of creative idea, okay, or if you have any startup idea, if you want to do something of your own, if you're looking for some kind of financial success or more ways to earn, okay, some extra income, yeah, kuch bhi aisa, so that is happening, okay. I see you that you will be able to work on that. And other than that also, I don't know why, but there's some secret angel or some secret spirit is there, which is really going to pass you by in the next 48 hours, okay. And you will be able to tap into that energy. You will be able to acknowledge that spirit, you will be able to acknowledge that miracle, because kuch unexpected ho raha hai, and this is definitely something positive. It's like a miracle. It can be something very silly, it can be something very small, but it will make your day, okay. So kuch aisa ho raha hai where you can say that, yeah, this moment made my day, maybe this compliment made my day, this gesture made my day, okay. So that is happening, and at the same time this is also going to be something which will make you feel really grounded. You will be able to connect with yourself, you will have reasons to connect with universe also, because for some I see you talking a lot to universe, that universe, you have given me so much, my life is so amazing, my life is so grateful, these little moments are something that I really cherish and I live for. So this is the kind of dialogue that I can see you doing in the next 48 hours with the universe, with your higher self. Probably some of you are talking and spending time with animals also, that is also there. It will be good if if you can go to animal shelters and do something for animals, give them food, spend time with them. I love giving Reiki to cows and other animals also. So, yeah. And I also see, especially for the females, okay, I also see that you will feel more feminine. ओके एक ग्रेसफुलनेस कहीं ना कहीं मुझे दिख रही है, ग्रेस मुझे कहीं ना कहीं दिख रही है आप लोगों की एनर्जीज में. वेरी फेमिनिन काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, वेरी डेलिकेट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड यू विल बी embracing this delicate self of yours, okay. So that is there. Some of you, I also feel that you should really give flowers to yourself, okay. That is another thing. Or you might want to plant, you might want to buy a plant for yourself, and you might want to take care of that. That will make you more nurturing, okay. If you wanting to practice how to nurture or how to become a nurturer, maybe you can start with that. Then the another message that we have is Knight of Pentacles, and that is to go slow with a person, okay. It's like I do feel that right now you have something to look forward to in terms of your career, in terms of your purpose. And if I talk about relationship, I just feel that you're really close when it comes to reaching a desire, when it comes to your love life, okay. Your home is very close. The person whom you can consider your home is very close, but at the same time it's not the timing that is the block, but I feel that maybe the person you are dealing with is someone who is very slow, who believes in slow love. Okay, or you are someone who believes in slow love, so you have to see what is resonating more with you. Okay, because I see someone being very slow. Okay, someone being, you know, um someone observing a lot. Okay, someone planning a lot, thinking about the future, thinking about long term goals, thinking very practically also. I also see someone planning about the future with you, or you are planning future with the person, because I think a lot of you are looking for long term stability. You're looking for commitment where you can build a home, where you can build a family. Okay, and when it comes to such decisions, you don't want to hurry in such decisions, so you might want to take your own sweet little time. And I think the person that you are dealing with, this person also, needs to go slow. This person also wants to go slow because they have a lot of fears related to having a strong foundation or having a safe home. So if I think if you're dealing with someone with whom you can, have a long term relationship, या अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ, I can settle here, I can have my own home and family with this person or here, तो यहाँ पे मुझे एक ये चीज़ डेफिनेटली लग रही है कि आप भी बहुत सोच समझ के कुछ चीज़ें कर रहे हो, एंड ये पर्सन भी बहुत सोच समझ के कर रहे हैं, एंड मोर ओवर आई फील दैट दिस पर्सन हैज़ लॉट ऑफ फियर्स रिलेटेड टू having a solid stable family. And I also feel that this person has certain loyalty issues, so that is one of the reasons why this person would want to go super slow. So I think that is it. Let me pull two messages. Okay, two random messages, whatever universe wants to say. Fated meeting, and we have mask not showing true self. So like I said that एक कहीं ना कहीं ये जो स्टार्टिंग में एकदम मैंने बोला था कि एक ऐसी एनर्जी मुझे लग रही है दैट someone is not so emotionally expressive. Okay, probably this person feels a lot but they won't say it, or probably you feel a lot and you will also not say it. So kahin na kahin you both are struggling with a good communication. You both are struggling with an honest, transparent communication, and that is creating a lot of fuss, that is creating a lot of drama, unnecessary drama, a lot of confusion as well. You both have feelings for each other, you both respect each other, there's a lot of mutual feelings, mutual connection that you have with this person. But then again, you need to take this mask off, and you need to be in your vulnerable side when you're dealing with this person. Okay, and the next message we have is fated meeting. So some of you are very close to meet a person in your life, and it is going to be a fated meeting. Universe is going to make sure that you both meet, though it might take another week when it comes to you both meeting each other physically. Okay, like in real, in 3D. Okay, but some meeting is definitely happening, and I also feel that someone is planning on how they can meet you, because this person wants to offer you something. This person wants to come to your home, they want to talk to your parents. It's a very specific message. Okay, they want to talk to your parents, they want to build something with you, but they are waiting for the right moment where they can actually meet you, they can get to know you, and they're planning फॉर दैट टू हैपन. अब वो सोच रहे हैं कि वो कैसे प्लान कर सकते हैं, कैसे उस प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन इज फाइंडिंग अ वे आउट टू बी विद यू, और टू टॉक टू यू, और टू गेट टू नो यू. Okay, so that was it. I hope it helps. Bye bye.